Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I will be doing an unboxing, a setup, and sound test on the ONN Groove wireless earbuds. Okay, so I've had these earbuds for quite some time and just never unboxed them or opened them or anything. Now, of course, you can buy these here at Walmart or Walmart.com. I'm not sure of the price at this time. However, if I find them online, I will leave a link down below in the description where you can find these. I got them for a very good deal. Hopefully, the price hasn't went back up. But anyway, these here are the ONN Grooves. Now, I have done an unboxing before on the older pair of ONN Groove earbuds, and they were really nice. I mean, they still work and they're still kicking pretty good. But here is a whole new design. These here have active noise cancellation and ambient sound. It's IPX5 water resistant. We'll open the flap up here, and of course you can see right here is the charging case, and of course they do look like the Airpod Pros or whatever you want to call them, and over here pretty much tells everything. It shows your first time setup, so I want to read this off right here to you right off the bat because it's all right here. Step 1, place the earphones in a charging case for initial activation and close the lid to fully charge. Step 2 is open the charging, open the charging case lid. Pairing mode is automatically initiated. 3. Connect to your device through Bluetooth wireless technology. Search for the entry ONN True Wireless ANC on your device. Has all the ear tips right there. Shows the microphones, USB-C charging cable, and all that kind of stuff there. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. So here's everything here that came in the box. Really nice here. Got all your ear tips, extra large, large, medium, or small. The ear tips on here right now are pretty small, as you can see. I do apologize for the focusing issue. I'm hoping to get that fixed up here very soon. Also got your Type-C charging cable there. And of course your own wireless earphones quick start guide. Always read this, okay? If you're going to buy a pair of these here, most issues can be, found in your quick start guide. This is the only kind of guides normally I read whenever it comes to, trying to figure out something. But anyway, here is the case. On the bottom here, you will see your USB Type-C charging port. You got 3 lights up here. All 3 of them are lit, so it means it's charged. Now, all you have to do is just simply, let's find out which one goes into what one here. Okay, that one's in there. You see it's lit up white. Do the same thing there. They're both lit up. Okay, we'll shut them down and you'll see right there that there is 2 lights on right there, and they're charging. And when they are blinking like this right here, it means that the earbuds are currently charging. Okay, so next up, let's go ahead and set these up on a phone. And for all my Bluetooth that I hook up and test out, I use the Realme Narzo 35G. So we'll go ahead right now. We'll power this phone on just like this. And it's supposed to auto pair. So we'll go in here to the settings. And we'll go into Bluetooth. And now we'll just open these up and see if they auto pair. Well, they won't. There we go. So we'll just sit here and wait. I'll refresh. Okay, you see fast blinking right there. ONN True Wireless ANC. We'll go ahead and connect those up there. We'll go ahead and pair them. And there they are. Okay. For calls and media playback, they're all set up and they're ready to go. So we'll go ahead and just pop both of these here out of their case and set them over here. We'll move the case out of the way for now. Okay, so looking to the manual here, I want to just read off a few things here to kind of explain some things to you. Now here, when you're holding the earbud, to play and pause or incoming call, answer, and hang up, right here in this little circular area right here, you press it once to answer, once to hang up, and of course once to play, once to pause. For next track, you tap it twice. That's also to reject a call. For 3 taps, it is the previous track, and for one press plus press and hold will bring up your Siri or Google Assistant. And now for your normal or for your ambient and for noise canceling, you got to press and hold for 1 second. That's what it says here in the manual. So I kind of wanted to just, read those off. And these are wireless charging from what it shows here in this manual. So these are wireless charging compatible. So that's always kind of a cool thing there. So yeah, let's go ahead here. I'm going to put these in my ear and see if I can get them to go into noise cancellation and stuff like that here. What I'm going to do right now is bring up a YouTube video, and I want to see how these things sound. Okay, so I'm going to play 2 songs here. I apologize if I'm talking loud. The things are in my ear and can't hear anything. I'm going to play the song that I normally play, and then I want to play a bass boosted version of a non-copyright song to see what kind of bass these things have. So let's go ahead and crank these up. So far, so good. All right. Dang. Man, these things sound pretty good. Okay, I pressed it once there. It paused it, as you can see right there. Now I'm going to switch over to the bass boosted song to see if these things can handle it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this up. Wow. These things hit. Okay, wow. These things really hit hard. So right now, I'm going to see if they can work independently by themselves. I think that they can. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn this volume down just a little bit because it's just, yeah. If you're using something like Dolby Atmos or something like that, well, these things, I mean, this here is just stock. Okay, it's not got no Dolby Atmos, nothing like that. It's just plain. So if you got something with some high-end sound on it, these things are going to sound really good. So anyway, we'll go ahead and start the music back up. Take the right one out. Okay, took the right one out. It paused it automatically. Let's go ahead and put it here. Now it's playing again. And so, yeah. Okay, now it paused it again for some reason or another. Let's just push play again. There we go. So when it's in here, see it's charging and it's playing, no problem. So you'll be able to use these here separately. So let's see how the disconnect and reconnect is. Okay, so as you can see right here, they are connected. We'll go ahead and pop the right one in, and then the left one in. Close up. See how long it takes to disconnect. And you can see right there, they're disconnected. It is a paired device, but it's no longer connected, I don't think. Let's take a quick look here. And no, they are not connected anymore. Okay, let's open them back up here. And we'll pull one of these out and see how long it takes for it to connect. And there you go. Boom. Connected right up there. No problems. And right one will also connect as soon as you pull it out as well. So pretty quick, pretty fast. They don't feel the most high-end quality in the world, but to be honest with you, they seem to sound really good. And like I said earlier, if you got a phone with like Dolby Atmos or THX sound or anything like that, it's going to sound really good because these here are just standard play. But definitely so far, first impressions, they sound great. Okay, don't sleep on them. If they're a good price, I would grab a pair of these. If you're looking for a cheap pair of earbuds, an IPX5 active noise cancellation for probably under $50. Yeah, really good deal. So That's all I got to say right now. Self informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. If you're new around here, consider subscribing and clicking that bell on for all future notifications of videos when I upload. I'd be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.